Hi everyone, this is Hanbom Kim from GoodTask. On this video, I'll explain some use cases and tips for new quick actions on macOS. As explained in the new video about quick actions, you can set title for each of the quick actions. This is important since it'll give you access to use system's keyboard shortcuts to run quick actions. Also, you'll be able to easily reach it while the menu is opened. Let's check it in detail. First, make a new quick action. Set a title. You can check this quick action in the menu bar, in Task Detail page, and also when you open a menu with right-click or Command-Enter. Let's set System's keyboard shortcut to this quick action. Open System Preferences and go to Keyboard. Open Shortcut and choose App Shortcut. Click plus and select GoodTask on Applications. Type in the title of shortcut in Menu Title and set a keyboard shortcut of your choice. Now go back to GoodTask. When you type in keyboard shortcut with the task selected, the quick action will run. It'll also run when you type after opening right-click menu. You can see it in Menu Bar, Edit, Quick Action, and also in the right-click menu. With the new prompt action, you can add dates easily. By setting it, simply selecting a task, Command-Enter, D, set days to defer, and boom, that's it. To add notes, you can do similar things. Command-Enter, N, type it in, and boom, that's it. By adding Select Quick Action, you can make quick action that'll fit your needs directly. For example, you can make a quick action with selection for tags. Let's see this example. On this quick action, it removes existing tags first. To do, doing, done, someday, and add a selected tag. You can add the tag you want by selecting a task. Command-Enter, T, and type 1 for to do, 2 for doing, 3 for done, and 4 for someday. I'm doing this now, so I'll type 2, and that's it. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks, and get it done with GoodTask.